What's going on, guys? I've been wanting to start YouTube for a while now. I finally got all the equipment, so I said let's give it a go. I'd hate to be broke and let people do more than me. I know I'm capable of a lot, so my first try, my introduction. So my channel is going to consist of my car, my homies' cars. That's basically it. Okay, this is my car right here. Let me show you real quick. It's 2014 5.0. And so what we got planned today is we're gonna meet up with my take number 2 because I'm stuttering, but we're gonna go hang out with my homies from Midvalley Performance. They're coming down to Tulare. Let's just go along for the ride. First startup of the day. Then we got my older brother's car here, a 2 Mustang. It's really nice. I used to have one, but I sold it, and I truly do regret that. Shit happens though, you know? I haven't driven it, but I want to. Always in my heart, until death do us part, man. I don't exactly know what we got planned for today. I just know we're gonna go hang out with our car crew, Midvalley Performance, later. And yeah, let's get the GoPro on and let's go for a ride, shall we? That's a convertible. Oh, it's a Z06 convertible though. We're gonna get next to it. Oh, damn. God damn it, Bobby. You playing with your life right now, ain't you? Good old little Visalia. I hate Visalia. Look at that Type R though. Oh. Come on, buddy. I just got stuck in the goddamn road. No cop, no stop. See no cop. Illegal activities are in play. know what I mean? But I guess we're gonna go to Visual Design's house because he's gonna make the crew some sweaters. So I'm gonna just meet up with the boys over there. He happens to live in Tulare and I happen to be heading over there. So it all works out. This is where they hold car meets here in Visalia. Oh, look at that though. El Camino and SNSS. Whew. Pretty nice car, buddy. If only I can afford it. And look at that steering rail right there. Look at that. Damn. I hope the boys didn't eat without me because I'm kind of hungry. Damn it, I know for a fact it was not this way. It was back there. God damn it. No way, it was that way. Never mind, I'm stupid. Oh shit, I missed it. My hand slipped, man. This chrome in this cold weather are not a good thing. Oh, what the hell? I see him behind me. You see that shit? There he is.
I would rather have this red than my red.
Miguel's 2013 5.0. Look at the wheels. Check it out, G.
This is too high tech, dog. I only got an iPhone. Wait. Oh shit. It's already like.
So that's all for the voice. I don't microphone
Oh damn.
on top.
My bad.
For the videos.
That's crazy. This is too high tech, man. It's too out of my price range.
Right? I'm just gonna fucking rush on an iPhone. That's all
Chill,
I'm down.
G.
Finance.
I'll get another iPhone and get the iPhone 12. Work it down for now.
Visual Designs, in other words. The president right here.
Nah.
One of the members right here.
Nah, this guy.
This guy sponsored us. He's paying for everything. I'm kidding.
Broke. We had other friends who they were like near the map. Did you put this on too? The red diffuser?
Yeah. Look, it's falling apart. There's like a gap in it. You can see the little sticky.
A new addition? Nah, it doesn't even look bad. But it won't come off? Why?
I'm scared of it falling off. Dad hook.
Just
Ooh, oh yeah.
Put some screws in that thing.
Put it on for you and then you record.
Oh yeah, I'm done.
What do you think right there?
Yeah, actually. That'd be cool. That's a pretty badass sticker, G.
It's a premium?
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like that. Gap will be sticker.
Where?
Perfect spot.
Where?
Right there in front of the shifter.
Oh.
Hey, is your door open?
Mine is, yeah.
I want to go record your seats. That shit's badass.
I think it's a little dirty in there.
Oh, you're chilling, G. Look at them babies. The little antlers.
You ever seen a purple reindeer?
Oh,
This is the one Holly.
I'm hella sober.
Well, I mean, you could smoke something.
True.
Wait, are you still recording?
Yes, sir.
Do you still blaze it? If that's gonna be the thing?
It's legal. It's 2020.
Yeah,
it's Cali.
Ooh, some of that gas.
These channels are 420 friendly, so we don't really mind people who smoke. Alright. See, those would qualify to be in our group. Said Ruben. He said I could ask. I'm the spokesperson.
Holla lights. It is beautiful.
color pops, homie.
They look clean.
What are you gonna put down?
It barely fits on top. There you go.
Barely fits. Perfect. I'm following that guy.
Alright, you want to follow me there? Alright, sounds good. Laters again, G. Take it easy.
Man, you too.
Visual designs right there. Make some badass decals, sweatshirts, shirts. Now hit them up. Gotta wait for the boys. I switched the angle. I think this angle looks better. What's up? It's far. It's probably like a.
So I still have room to be on this lane because I'm trying to record you guys.
Oh yeah, you're chilling.
Right.
Yeah. Chillaxing, G.
Love that color, bro.
Guys over there talking to him. The truck. Let's get it. Look at the boys. Let me see. Go, what the you doing? Mother, go. Hey, he didn't say where he was going?
He said he was gonna run errands with his parents.
Follow me so we could just chillax somewhere.
Alright.
Oh, shit.
I'm down to go grab food real quick though.
Where should we go? Any
I don't
Any
care.
ideas?
I'm not from McDonald's. I don't give a shit. I
let me
love
think.
McDonald's. I don't know, boy. I gotta take a picture of this.
True.
Scenery.
True, I'm gonna walk around this. Look at these views. Views on views for days. There's a dog trying to kill a little kid.
Don't even chill, we got you there. Cameraman's right here.
That's what's happening here?
What was that?
I said you guys want a race, huh? You guys saw the Prius.
Which is slow. Go beat us. It's electric.
Nice cars, man.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it. I don't mind eating outside. But this is a little cold. What's near here?
Panda, McDonald's, Taco Bell. I haven't seen a Chipotle around here.
I'm down from
It's
McDonald's.
probably like down Mooney. That's hella far though.
I'm down from McDonald's.
McDonald's? I'm down. Let's go.
And then we'll head out. And then we'll just chill for a little bit, eat, and then
Then.
following the boss right here.
Sounds good, G. Alright, vámonos. So we came to eat some McDonald's because the Asada Fries place was closed today, probably due to COVID. So McDonald's is literally gonna have to do. Some McDonald's. During COVID, we gotta be eating outside and shit in this weather.
Good night, Mr. Robert.
G, good night. You guys drive safe. Time for me to head back home. That was it for today. My Delana homies are gone. I'm gonna go to the store and pick up a black and mild, maybe a couple beers. Good night to everybody. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned, like, subscribe. I know I just started. I'm a little bit awkward, but I'm gonna keep at it. I'm gonna give it my